Hello, today I'm going to show you how to find your lost phone using your Gmail Google account. Losing your phone can be stressful, but if its sets is linked to your Google account, you can use Google Sets Find My Device service to locate it, bring it, lock it, or even erase the data remotely. It's a quick and effective way to take control of the situation. Let's get started. Using any computer or mobile device, sign in to the Gmail account that was connected to your lost phone. Click on your profile picture at the top right corner, then select Manage Your Google Account. In the menu on the left, click on Security. Scroll down until you see your devices. Click on Find a Lost Device. Select the device you lost, for example, your phone. You will then see various options such as check recent security activity for suspicious changes, find and lock your iPhone, try calling your phone, sign out on your phone, reach out to your carrier. If you're worried someone may access your data, click sign out to log your Gmail out of the lost device. That's it. With just a few steps, you can protect your Google account and possibly locate your lost device using Gmail. Thanks for watching and following along. We hope this guide was helpful. See you in the next tutorial.